Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the correct Google account and a charged phone. Make sure Google Drive has space. First, open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Chats and Chat Backup. Once there, note the Google account listed under Backup to Google Drive and the last backup timestamp. If the account is wrong, change it now, because Google Drive links backups to that account. Make sure Wi-Fi is on to avoid mobile data charges, and tap Backup to initiate a fresh snapshot before proceeding. Once done with WhatsApp, switch to the same Google account in Google Drive. You won't find a WhatsApp folder like normal files. Go to Drive, open Settings, then Manage Apps. There you'll see WhatsApp Messenger and its backup entry with the date and size. Make note of the timestamp and size so you can verify completeness. If you need metadata, click Options next to WhatsApp in Manage Apps. Google stores backups as app data, not user-visible files, which is why manual download. To restore, install WhatsApp, verify the same phone number, and sign into the same Google account. Then follow prompts and tap Restore when offered. Once completed, media may continue downloading in the background, so be patient. If Restore doesn't start, make sure you're on the same Google account and phone number that created the backup, and confirm the last backup timestamp matches. One key troubleshooting tip: clear Google Drive app cache, reboot, and try again. That often fixes recognition issues with app data backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.